Hi, my name is Caleb de Cognets, and I'm the head aerial DP at Beverly Hills Aerials. My job is to not only operate the camera, but interpret the director and DP's vision for these shots and help tell their story with camera movement. So I was born in Northampton, Massachusetts, grew up skateboarding, and that's how I developed my creative eye. I moved to LA shortly after college, totally on a whim, and fell into the job I'm so passionate about now. The proudest moments have come from innovation, have come from having an idea for a shot and making it a reality. So whether that be a 360 roll rig on a cinema FPV drone or a hand catch and release shot or something of the sort, I think that's where I feel the most fulfilled. Now, we have a lot of different types of tools and drones at our disposal, all with different strengths and weaknesses, and I'd love to help you on your next project, tell your story. Yee!
B speeds.
B speeds. B camera speeding. Here you go. Oh.
Take two, marker.
Take two, B.